Hi everyone, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and I have a mystery box double page layout. The mystery box is from June from Anna Griffin, and it was all about the Patriot stuff. And here's what's I'm using it, and there's still so much in there. I've used it 4 or 5 times, and look how much. I haven't even used the dies yet. If you're not getting her mystery box, you're missing out. Okay, so I also made easel cards with her mystery box too, and this is the die is a new Patriot die, but then everything else is from the mystery box. Okay, so here is a card I made, and it does come with the inside stuff, so I'll be putting that in someone's mailbox. So here's that, and here is the double page layout that I made. And look at all the ephemera, and I made it so that it doesn't stick under here, so that the picture, whatever size picture, will fit. The picture will fit and not be obstructed. So that's why it's only glued on one part. Okay, so the dies I used was from Create May, and it was this one right here, and it's called Pleated Borders. Okay, so what I did was I cut red, white, and blue, and then I cut it down the middle, and this is only half, because if you did all of it, it got to be really wide, so I cut it in half, so you're only using half. Okay, so we're gonna put this one off to the side, and I'm gonna bring in what we're working on. This is the paper. Okay, and as you see, this is what it would look like, but I cut out the middle to save it, and you can see I cut out the middle, and all I did was put white cardstock to say put photo here. So we're going to put that there, and we're going to put that there. Let's move this so you can see a little bit. Okay, so we're going to put these two here, and we pop dotted them, and we're going to put them there. And then here are the pieces that we spliced together. They're cut in half, and then they're just glued together, and I pop dotted them. Red, white, and blue. So do you want it going that way? I want it going this way, so it says red, white, and blue, and red, white, and blue. So you can have your page to coordinate like this. You can have your page to coordinate like that, and it would coordinate more. Let me show you this one again. See how it would coordinate more. Okay, this is 1 inch up, this is 1 inch down, 1 inch in, 1 inch in. Okay, all right, you could totally do this and do the same thing. It's all up to you. So I'm not going to glue it down because I am heading out today, actually, or tonight actually. Let's see, I wanted it this way, so I don't have time to glue it down, but I'm giving you options. I always give you options on scrapbooking. And then I'm going to put these stars right here, and it reminds me of, I'm going to center them, and the reason why I'm doing that, and I have extra of these, and this one looks a little crooked, and I think I'm going to redo this one because it looks crooked to me. I haven't even used these dies, so I'm going to put that there because it looks to me like the Star of Texas, so that's why I'm doing it like that. And then you have other embellishments. So this is an extra gold piece of gold I had, and then I put cardstock here, and I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to put that there, and I think I'm going to get the other flag and flank it of hers, because I have more flags like this one, and I'm going to flank it, and I'm hoping it goes both directions. If not, it may stay just like that. So there is my double page layout for the June mystery box. I hope you like it. I really enjoyed making it, so screenshot that, and I hope you like it, everybody. Happy 4th of July, 250 years, and I hope we make it to another 250 years. Thank you, everyone, and have a blessed day.